Our first pit stop.
You roll it.
Port St. Lucie. Alright, made it to Georgia, guys. 630 miles to go. Gotta get there. Finally made it. Made America 2024.
Oh yeah.
Excuse us.
And then outside of it, and then go ahead and just start guys in. And then they take a little hammer. Once we got it done.
Sorry. Where's that Kenworth cab over? It's like that's what it's all about. We're just trying to show the world that guys, you can take a negative and turn it into a positive.
Mine's got the bars up here like that. Mine's got the bars.
Yeah, but then you get the cool one. That's why you see you got lift the 50 in.
Stuff chrome in it, in the dashboard area, where the lights and the gauges are. And like the buttons are just all.
Yeah, there's chrome in the rings. It has like subtle accents. Sorry. Like subtle accents.
I didn't renew the registration on it. It came up for registration renewal and it's been sent to it and then like see it, right?
some renderings in here.
See, that's what they come for too. I want them big siphon notes. They want a big one for oil and stuff. No, that's a Peterbilt.
Try to open up.
That's what I want. Right here. Charles.
That was the break.
Touch the pedal to brake it, so it allowed the clutch to engage to like the creep mode, as you would call it.
Yep. Now this one is not the Pro, so it doesn't have some of those other features like that. But and then we can get into this second lane, and then we'll just stay in the second lane. Watch for people creeping up on your left-hand side. Cars have been doing that. We're weighted at 75,000 pounds.
In the back?
Yeah, so we're a little bit light, but as you put more weight on these 18 speeds, the nicer and nicer they become.
How much horse?
This one is 510. Yeah, 510, 1850. Truck is spec'd a little bit more for kind of heavier haul, so it's kind of really spec'd to be carrying like 100,000 pounds. So it's a little bit kind of jumpy at 75,000 here, but it's pretty smooth still.
That's nice.
Have you drove an automated transmission on the road?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I just picked one up on Monday.
Fantastic.
Well, I picked up my first automated.
Yeah.
I've had automatic.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they're a real benefit. Like this TX18, it's lighter weight, and then they're a lot less expensive than a fully automated, like torque converted transmission. And then you get the benefits of having a real clutched transmission for downshifting and everything like that, just like what you're showing here. Yep.
That's a manual. Just me coming off the road this time.
Yep.
That's a nice power.
Yeah, it's a great engine. It's very smooth compared to an X15. Very capable.
So it's MX13, so 13 liter.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Yep. So it's lighter weight, harmonically balanced crankshaft, so a lot smoother.
I can feel that the vibrations,
yep.
like it's a lot.
And then when you made it with the TX18, everything is really smooth and integrated. It's the lightest weight powertrain you can get, so weight's more payload. And then we do have the right of way here, but just watch for cross traffic.
Let's go back to auto. That's third gear.
Yep.
Really down, then the third across the street. But yeah, no, trying to upgrade my fleet. We're coming from 12 7s,
Yep.
Freightliners, Kenworths, 18 speeds, 10 speeds, like you name it.
Yep. How many trucks do you guys run?
About 7 right now.
Okay. Yeah. Beautifully driven, sir.
Thank you.
Best drive of the day for me. True professional.
Trying to be. He's gonna jump in.
No.
Oh no, that's it.
I just wanted to see.
All right.
All right.
Fantastic. Yeah, and then there's kind of cool features like auto neutral and stuff. So if you leave it in drive and you pop it, it'll actually force it into neutral and do
Awesome.
stuff like that. So, we try to do a little bit cool features.
Because that, for me, I do forget sometimes.
Yeah, totally.
Especially for reverse. So
Yep.
if you don't have a backup alarm, it's like,
Exactly.
Cut the truck off, come back, key to neutral.